Hey, welcome to Minnesota beersjackofbbq. Check out our version of the Oklahoma Smashburgers we did tonight on the Blackstone. Hey, I'm Craig, the man behind the camera's Jack. We're going to do our version of the Oklahoma burger. It's been out there, it's been all over the place. It was a hot thing this summer. I actually tried it once just myself here at the house when I was making burgers for my wife and I. I liked them, so thought, well, let's shoot one. Again, we're way behind the fad right now for this one, but no big deal. And I actually didn't see, I saw a little bit of videos out there. I didn't watch a whole lot, to be honest with you, and I typically do. But what we got working with tonight is some 70-30 venison and fat, and beef fat. So my son-in-law, as we all know, Sean Hunts, was at their place this past week. We made some Italian sausage. We'll probably have something down the road where we'll do more of that. But the venison, got some just straight up beef fat. We went 70-30. We did an 80-20, tried things out. We cooked some burgers up and we like the 70-30. So got a pound of 70-30 here. Got 4 balls. We're gonna do quarter-pound balls, smash them. Put the onion down, put the meat on top, smash them. Flip them once, get some, I got some good, it's actually jalapeno jack cheese here from Boars. Got some homemade bacon to go with it, some good rolls. And we'll probably hit it with some SPG just for a little bit of flavoring on the meat. And that's going to be it. But looking forward to trying these. Like I said, we'll see what happens. Be only my second try doing this, as far as getting the onions down first and smashing on top. The fat content is pretty good in here, so I'm not sure how it's going to hold together when I smash them. But we'll see what happens. Got to learn every day. So we'll see you on the grill. All right, let's start with the bacon. Like I said, this is our homemade bacon. Some of this is a little shredded up because it was actually partially frozen yet. Somebody forgot to get some of it out of the freezer last night. So that's why the one's butchered up a little bit. But get this started, then we'll go with the onions. All right, so bacon's almost done. I got the left side on low as it goes. Just let it continue to finish up over here. We'll get the onions started and get the smash burgers going. This won't take long. So I have it pretty thin. I always use parchment. Hit it with a little seasoning. Let them go. All right, starting to brown up on the edges some. Don't waste any onions. Along with the cheese right away. Grab the bacon off here. The rolls are coming along here. Grab our burgers. All right, let's build some good looking burgers. All right, let's build some quick burgers here. And then we'll do our toast quick so we can eat. Go with a little bacon here. These are pretty simple. Actually, we'll go with a little extra bacon here because we have it. As always, cheers. Here we are, end of the cook. Tried something a little different with building a burger there. It was pretty anticlimactic because it was like, throw some bacon on and we're done. Don't have a lot of extras to go with these tonight, but the star should be the onions and just the venison that we did with the beef fat. So we got the bacon going, got the bacon grease on there, got the onions on, put the burgers on top. Smashed okay over the onions this time. When I did it before, it actually worked a little better, but didn't matter. We still got to use almost all the onions I put down. Got it flipped. I put the SPG on there, the Grillaholics SPG on it. If you're paying attention, I forgot on the second side, but that's no big deal. We're gonna cut in this, see what it looks like, and I'm gonna get to eat some of this. Boy, that looks good. So I put a little mustard and ketchup in mine that you didn't see there, but I can't wait to bite into this thing. I know when I did it before, I used these, they were sweet onions, and boy, does that flavor, that onion really come out. A little SPG flavor as well in there, a little garlic I noticed, but the onions and that ground venison with that beef fat is really coming out. Good rolls also key, and that jalapeno jack cheese, you don't taste it right away, but has a little kick to it. So this is going to be a good meal tonight. Hope you like what you're seeing. Subscribe to the channel, click the little bell to get notifications, and we'll see you next time.